Happy last day of school, guys. I can't believe this year is already over with, but you guys are finished with third grade. You have worked so hard this year, and I am so very proud of each and every single one of you. You've been amazing. You've done all the work that's required of you for this week, and now it's time to draw some names, okay? We have a couple of prizes today, so we're going to go through these. The first one is a Pokemon card and a coin. Y'all know all about this. Not me, but we'll draw for it, okay? So let's see who won this first Pokemon card. That was Jackson. Awesome job, Jackson. So you will be receiving the Pokemon card and the coin. Put this down there. And I will send this to you in the mail. I don't want to lose that. Awesome job, Jackson. All right, our next thing is a $5 Walmart gift card. $5 Walmart gift card. Colson, awesome job, Colson. Jackson was our first boy to get a prize. It's been girls all this time. Let's see if we can have more boys join with Jackson. All right, the next one, some blow pops. Some blow pops. These are your favorite in class that go in the treasure box. So let's see who earned the bag of blow pops. That was Faith. Awesome job, Faith, for completing your work this week. You'll be getting a bag of blow pops. Awesome. Running out of room here. All right, the next thing is a pack of Pokemon cards. Let's see. Andrea's earning a pack of Pokemon cards. Awesome job here. Y'all should have seen me trying to shop for these Pokemon cards. I was lost. All right. The next thing, we have another $5 Walmart gift card. Another $5 Walmart gift card. And this is going to Jerry. Awesome job, Jerry. We got another boy. Yay! Okay. The next thing is a bag of Double Bubble. Another one of y'all's favorites that I put in the charger box. Let's see who's getting a whole bag of Double Bubble. Your jaws are going to be sore by the end of this. Taylor, awesome job, Taylor. You earned the Double Bubble. All right, another pack of Pokemon cards. Caden, awesome job, Caden. Got another boy. All right, and our last thing is another pack of Pokemon trading cards. Last pack. Let's see who our winner is for this. And it is Brentley. Awesome job, Brentley. See if I can get this done. Awesome job to all of you who have worked super hard this week. I am very proud of you. Awesome job to all of those of you who have earned prizes. I'm very proud of you. Don't forget, our award ceremony is May 6th, which is next week, and that'll be via Zoom. So parents, you'll have a link that's sent out via Class Dojo, and then you'll be able to click on that link, join the Zoom meeting to see the presentation of the awards, and then we'll upload that later for you to send out to like grandparents, aunts, uncles, those types of things. Thank you guys for an amazing year. I love each and every single one of you, and I'm very proud of you. Please don't forget that you are the best class, and they accidentally put you all in my room. I don't know how it happened, but it did, and it was an amazing year. And I cannot wait to see you walking the halls as fourth graders. And just remember, if you need me, I'm still here. Even though the school year is over with, I will always, forever and ever be your teacher. So call me. I'm here for you. I love you, and I'm so proud of you guys. Over the summer, let's go get it.